Hello, good morning, and welcome to another stream going live every day until we reach the 100k, and maybe more. I hear some kind of noise, maybe. Let me know if you can hear it. My mic seems to do stuff again. Let me see if I can fix it. Okay. Can you still hear some noise? All good? I see this here at the mic aux. See, it doesn't go to 0. Alright, so you say it's all good. Well, I guess. I don't like this noise though, and it jumps off the chart. So something's not right. Hello, test, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Sorry about this, I just need to make sure that it's good enough. Hello, test, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Yeah, it's weird because like OBS sometimes just messes up stuff by its own. Oh well. No, there's no fan noise. I mean, I have my window open, but I don't think that's it. Oh well. Yeah. Anywho, let me know if something's like bothering or something. Well, all right. You have a meeting. Yeah, have fun. White noise, huh? What about now? Anyway, all right, good. It's good. Hello. Okay. One more thing. My mouse is also acting weird today, and oh well, just a bunch of stuff not going the perfect way. All right, Notion. Let's go here and update the link for the live stream. And then we'll figure out what I'm going to do today. Hey. This should have a sidebar here. Hey coders, I'll take a look. I get a bunch of requests, so I usually pick those who I see appropriate, you know. I don't get to reply to all of them. Notion. Is Notion down or is it just me? Yeah. Good way to start the day. I needed that. What's that homepage? This one? This is for the blog Make Money Dev. By the way, for those of you interested in making your first dollar online, I just posted something which might be interesting for you. If you want to make it for dollar line, here's a nice 2-week challenge you can try. Pick a topic you know well, a topic you have maybe experience with, and you can package it into a digital product like an ebook or a video course. Take 2 weeks to write everything you know, like maybe create the how do you call that, the chapters of the ebook and the sections of the video course. And yeah, the reason why it's a 2-week challenge is that usually we try to overthink things, you know. So if you only offer yourself 2 weeks, then you'll focus on it, and then you can sell it on a platform like Gumroad for $10 to $30, maybe $5. It really depends on what you're creating. So yeah. My mouse is weird. Sure why. Maybe the button is blocked. Okay. Good. So yeah, Notion is weird today. This should be a sidebar. But when do you know you have finished writing? That's the thing. Don't overcomplicate things. So just put everything you know, like create something, maybe have a structure for it to go from 0 to 1, and do your best to finish it in 2 weeks. That's your schedule, 2 weeks. Some say 30 weeks or so, but I just say 2 weeks. If you see you don't have time for something, maybe drop some chapters, and yeah, get it out there, get your name out there, and that's a chance for you to make your first money online. To be honest, I spent too much time on my first ebook and I overcomplicated, and the theme was too too broad. So give 2 days prior to proper planning for ebooks. Yeah, I mean, of course, you can spend... Alright, so my mouse is definitely doing some weird stuff. Goes back and forth. Yeah. And Notion is slow today, so... Finally. Alright. So that's updated. I have to rebuild. If you have researched stuff, then just go ahead and use that. Deploy, trigger, deploy. Yeah. That's the idea of the challenge of 2 weeks. They say that if you are not ashamed by your launch, then you're launching too late. You know? And I kind of agree. My ebook sold over 20K so far. And yeah, I mean, I'm not the most proud of it. I know that there are stuff I could have done better, but the idea is that we often forget that people who are just starting, they don't know that much as we know. So let's imagine a scale from 0 to 10, right? You're starting out at 0 and 10 is perfection, which doesn't exist, but that's another story. So you keep learning and learning and learning. You get to 1, you get to 2, you get to 3. And let's say you're at 4 when you want to write your ebook or the course. You can do it even faster maybe, but yeah. Anyway, so when you're at 4, you look up to those who are at 9, 8, 7, or even 10, if there's someone at 10, and you say, there are so many things left for me to learn. But you forget all the people behind you who are at 0, 1, 2, or 3, you know? That's the idea you have to keep in mind. There are people who know less of what you know. I had a person, so for example, I had a person today asking me how to make money online, like passive income. I posted the ebook revenue and the course revenue, and like they don't know anything about that, you know. And that's for me an opportunity to maybe create a digital content, a digital product on that topic. I don't know. Maybe I'll take the 2-week challenge and do something in it. I don't know. Anyway. Last weekend I got into reading about lucid dream, and I have like 2,000 words of notes. I jotted down. I guess a few more days of research and I could write an ebook. Yeah. All the best. Yeah, I mean, it's possible. And the more you write, this is why I want to start writing more. It's to practice my writing skills. And the more I will write, then the more how can I say, the more resources I have to take from and create a digital product, and like an ebook or a course. Can you do a trading bot using JavaScript? I could probably, but it's not something I'm interested in doing. All right, let's see this link. Good, it's working. So you start with a small level for a topic and not try to cover everything, but stick in that level of understanding. Yeah, so like dumb it down, you know, pick something small in that niche. Don't just write about, I don't know. I did this mistake. So my book, where is it? Where's my book? Here. So my book is about 10 ways to make money as a developer. But that was kind of a mistake. I should have picked a couple of ways only, or maybe just write a book on one of the ways, like running a YouTube channel. I could have written a book, I don't know, a couple of pages, 20, 30 pages, and charge $5 for it, something like that. It would have been much faster. I wouldn't have so many. I've gone through a lot of pain to write this book because I picked a broad topic. So yeah, just dumb it down into one topic, and maybe even like I think you can break down the YouTube book into even deeper sections, like, I don't know, how to get ideas for your YouTube videos, something like that. Yeah, and you can upgrade the version of your ebook, definitely. That's the beauty of digital products. You can change them. You get feedback from people, and then you add on it, or yeah. So do it. Marketing. And the idea also of this 2-week challenge is that you get to go from zero to something. Even though if you only send 1 copy or 2 copies, or I don't know, even if you don't sell any copies, you learn so much along the way that will prepare you for the next launch, which will get better, you know? It will be better and better and better. And for me, learning is everything. This is the reason why I'm doing this challenge, from 0 to 100K, because I know that no matter how much time it takes me to get there, I'll eventually get there. But I'm going to learn so much more along the way, which will be worth much more than 100K, you know, because I'll be able to easily replicate the success. The book is paid. This book, yeah, there's a promo code, so if you want, ping me and I'll give you a discount code. All right. Let's go back to our. See, there's a dashboard now. Let's sit down. Let's do it for 10 minutes, so that should be enough. That's right, Vid. That's perfectly right. So just keep this idea in mind. If you're not ashamed of your first product, then you launch too late. Yeah, see, Bobby's the perfect example. Okay, good. So let's see what happened in the weekly deals dev. I have some great news, which is probably a record for this site since I launched. Sunil already made 11 sales from the website. So he made his money back in a day, which is pretty crazy. I don't know if it's the fact that it's a SaaS book, or he also worked a lot on promoting the fact that the book is 50% off on the site. So that's also good. He has a following. So probably people already liked his book and wanted to get it, and now they got a chance to get it cheaper. So that might be a reason, you know. Nevertheless, like, this is great. I'm not sure about Bobby, how many sales you got, and how many sales this book got. I think, no, I don't. I'm not sure if he told me or not. Forgot. 2, that's good. The nice thing about this is that it's monthly recurring revenue, so this can easily, only one person, if he stays for a year, then it's paid off, right? But yeah, I definitely saw the fact that also Sunil sent out a newsletter with the ebook. So there are a lot of things which he did which paid off. Anyway, you applied for this. Is it a free project? I've got some emails since yesterday. I haven't read all of them yet, but all right. So definitely Josh's book on effective portfolio is, as usual, the free deals are more like, people click on the free stuff more often. But then look, Sunil's the second one, the book, and oh no, Dev Dojo is the first paid. That's good. Is it that the order also matters? So click-wise, it shows the order, although on the free deals, it's not the order. I mean, yeah. What I want to do is to continue working on this and bring it to the next level. First off will be to tell people here that for the featured project is paid, because I get a lot of mentions of paid product and people don't know if it's paid or not. Time to split end and rotate the items on each load. Split test. But how do I keep track? How do I know then which book was what spot? If we look at this, I mean, we can look at the previous week also. Like if we look custom range, I guess I can put 12 to 19. And yeah, beginner, but I don't know how. Lots of clicks. I don't know which was in which spot. Also, the topic, I think it's important. It's yeah. All right. Let's do that change there. Also, I have in the to-dos, let's see. Why is so slow Notion today? Yeah, that could work too. Yeah. All right. I did this. I also did this improvement. Getting into featured products on Florence Block. Yeah, it really depends what project you have. Hey, how are you? Okay. So thumbnail size. Product hunt launch. Ugh. I'm so afraid of this. I don't know why. Admin panel, that's also tough. Add pricing to the feature your product section. Get your product featured. No call yet with Chabo. By the way, if you want to check out, this is the website. Okay. Regarding the size, you can see that the size changes. See? So I need to add more breakpoints so that the sizes will stay the same. And then whenever I ask someone for an image, I should know the sizes. A while ago, I submitted my book here on Daily Dev, and I know they had some kind of a grid, some kind of a system, like an image. How can I find that? Yeah, I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask Ido to send me. Just a second. Hey, Consti. All right, so I asked that. Yeah. I definitely need to do something like this. You see, these images are just shrinking a little bit because there are multiple grid sizes, but these images are shrinking a lot, so then they shift a lot. I mean, in most cases, it looks okay. But like in this case, it doesn't, so. At the same time, I don't know who has this viewport. Alright, but in the meantime, let's fix this. I also want to start soon to look into how can I add a reward system to the site. What do you think? Well, I definitely need a database and user authentication. Just add one media query to go from 3 to 2 to 3 to 1 graded 1 odd size. Yeah, but it will be too big. If this goes to 1, then it will be too big. You know? Alright, where is the model? Feature your product. Alright. Feel free to send an email by filling in the form below with the details of your product, and if it's a good fit, we'll feature it. So yeah, look at this. Save image, desktop. Sure. Failed. What? Failed. Alright, if you're playing hard. Then I'll do this. Ha! Alright, so yeah. This is how this looks. Hey Jace. Thank you too. Not sure for what. Yeah, so as you can see, they have this kind of a... I don't know how to call it. Grid? Oh well. So this is something I have to figure out as well. To create and send to people. It's 12-hour stream. Nah, probably not. not soon. All right, so here in the model, I need to show the fact that for the feature deals, like the paid products is a paid fee, and for the free products is a free fee. That sounds fun. Free. How do I do that? Let me get something to write on. No, I haven't done 12 12-hour stream. It was more like 10 hours or so. Well, 11, maybe 11. Maybe 10. I don't know. Yeah. I did 10 projects in 10 hours, so yeah. Alright. So, maybe a table. I guess I can copy paste this. Yeah, thank you. Okay. How does this look? Oh, I have to open this. Maybe pricing. Hey, Kapoor, haven't seen you. Maybe like pricing, paid product, $100, free product, free. Maybe like this. Thank you. So yeah, maybe like an H3 pricing, the same classes. And then title, I guess this class flex, and here yeah, let's just have something out and then I'll paid product and then free. Yeah, I will bump it up to 125. Although, I'll tell you something in a second. Alright, how will this look? Okay. For Excel font bold. Whoops. Oh. Justify center. Item center. Yeah, I don't like how this looks. Space X4. Yeah, I need to put my watch charge. Just a second. Be right back. Hey, Isa. Oh. Yeah, not yet. Not yet, but maybe in the future. As of now, I just want to have this here. Maybe I could even convert this to a separate page. Eventually I'll have to have a blog page, a page for... And then I can have a nice pricing table. This doesn't look good yet. Do they have a strike through? Yeah, that will be nice. Oh, I need to run this strike through, line through, okay. Do, 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 do. Yeah. Yeah, maybe a page will be good for this. So let's do that. Yeah, it's just that the price has grown. It's just an idea, but maybe yeah, not the best one. Okay. Feature HTML. All right. Feature your product on weekly deals. Dev. Hey. This is the same thing? The same description. Interesting. I've received feedback that it is hard to submit a product to weekly deals. No, but what I've noticed is that people submit emails and they're not kind of aware that they have to pay for the paid products. Yeah, you're also not wrong. I mean, I could just say here that you can promote the YouTube video. Not necessarily, no. It has to be a product of some sort. A course, maybe, yeah. Tally forms. If your website is for developers, then yeah. Okay, and you can collect payments. Interesting. Yeah, but the project is already monetized by paying for the feature deals. I guess just having a text now saying that something like the price for featuring a paid product is strong. Okay, and having this class text center. Why does it have? Oh, okay. For featuring. I guess this works for now. Hey Claudia, no frameworks. I mean, only Tailwind, but that's like a library, so it could have been easily done with CSS. But no JavaScript frameworks at all. Hey Mishra, background color to gray. Yeah, I mean, sure. Oh, I forgot to update this. Oof, thanks. Thank you. Alright, so I guess this works for now. Because, yeah, you're right, Kapoor. Like, I didn't get a lot of messages, so I shouldn't work too much on it. Edit pricing text. White's not looking good on purple. Oh, this text? You might be right. How will it look with darker gray though? Class. Oh, I don't have the colors. The text. I can't see now. Oh, that's fine for now. All right. Let's figure out their sizes. One idea. When do we hear about it? I try to not be jumping between ideas too fast, you know? Because I still feel like this project is not yet at the place where it should be. I think it needs a bit more organic growth. So far, it relies a lot on me promoting the deals, like the website. And yeah, I still feel like if I'm going to grow it in a stage where it can make that money kind of independent on who owns the site, then I think I can sell it. You know, I'd like to sell this. Saini, I'm not sure what you're talking about. This project made $800 so far, so yeah. Why not let them send you free product submission too? Just add a free feature section when submitting. They can submit a free product as well. I just wanted to let them know that for the paid, it's paid. Yeah, I mean, the growth week over week has been good. Let's see, ConvertKit. Yeah, it keeps getting subscribers. So, I mean, over time, this could grow more. Hey, Alan, 1K so far. For those of you interested in following this journey, you can go to makemoney.dev, and here in the project section, you can see the income. Why would somebody create a paid product when he can create a free product? Well, that's yeah. Why? I mean, let me ask you something else. Why would you go to work and be paid when you can go to work and work for free? Right? I mean, you can work for free. Yeah? People create paid products because they work on them and they want to monetize their time, right? You usually create free products to grow an audience and then create paid products to monetize that audience, right? I mean, if you're investing time into something, at some point at least you should get paid to do that, right? I mean, you can do it for free, nobody says that. I mean, sure, go ahead, but it's not sustainable. We all have needs, rent, food, and all that, especially if you have a family and kids. Ooh. Yes, definitely you need to provide value. That's That's not even a question. Like, yeah, it has to be good value. I'm saying if I create a course and list it on your website, is there any difference between the paid product and the free product? Yeah, so I'm charging for the free slots because people make money from them. So if you look at the website, these deals, people don't make direct money from them, right? So I'm not charging for the free deals as of now. Maybe in the future I will, if it gets a lot of traction and you get, because to be honest, on the free deals, people got a lot of subscribers on their products, and then later they can sell to those people. So I'm losing on some revenue potential on those products, but nevertheless. And the way I'm monetizing this project is to charge for the paid products, because people make their money back from featuring the products here, you know. Do you have a full-time job too? No, not now, no. Yeah, content creation is my full-time job. I quit 2 years ago. Oh, that's nice. It's 2 years ago. To become a full-time creator. Love you too. Amazing facts. All right, let's go back to thinking. So Vid, you were up to something. Yes, this site is responsive. So far, the project is doing kind of well. I mean, almost everyone made their money back, and those who didn't make their money back paying for the paid feature, paid for the paid slot, was like for $10 or $20 off, you know. So it's very, very close for everyone to making their money back, and most people even made profit, so that's good. My question is, will this grow, or will this fade out in the future? Hey Mihai, good morning. What job did you do before? I was a React developer, front-end developer. Yeah. Also, there is another question I got to ask. Is like, so far, except this week, which was a mistake, but I'll tell you about that soon. So far I had 2 paid products and 3 free products. And for the paid products I charged, well, as usual, I charged $100. But this week I got messed up a bit in my vacation, and by mistake I charged 3 people instead of 2. So I had to feature 3 deals, you know. But this week I made $300 instead of $200. And so far it's been working out well. So is there, like, do you know where I'm going? I mean, I wanted to raise the price to $125 so that I can make $1,000 per month. But like, if I keep it to $100 and have 3 featured deals, that's $1,200 per month. So yeah, I mean, how do I figure out how many deals are the perfect amount? Because I could even have 100 featured deals in one go if I get 100 people to pay, right? But yeah, that's probably not the way. These are some interesting things I have to figure out before and move on. Yeah, maybe. I mean, so far I was spreading up. Like, for example, I had 2 more people interested this week in feature deals, so that would have been 5 feature deals. But as you said, like, I'm spreading out them out. At the same time, though, if we're thinking about it, how hard it is for people to scan through, like, what's the difference between scanning through 2 projects and scanning through 3 or 4 or 5? Like, it's just a couple more seconds, right? Hey, George. Can you hear the noise? Someone is working upstairs. So like, as visitors' perspective, I think people will start to feel bad about being featured in the end of the featured list if there are too many featured deals. No, it should still be in the above the fold, like here, as you go decide the first things, Yeah, I've also think about having an archive page. Maybe on week 10 I'll post again all the deals or something. It's also a matter of, like, how many times do I have to reach out to other people to get their products featured, I leveraged my audience a bit because of this. Yeah, Alan, probably above 5 will be getting less attention. I'm fine with 2, 3 as of now. So my main focus should be on getting more people to see the site, to sign up to the newsletter, and people who feature their products, aka pay for being featured, get their money back, right? And for that, I need the first part. So how do I make sure, because that's right, that's the success of this project, having lots of visitors, people selling their projects through this. Hey, Big Dan. I'm currently brainstorming ideas of what I should work on. Oh, I see, Vid. Yeah, that's a good point also. Another thing I just got this idea is having, let me write this down here, like having weekly topics. And maybe they will steal competition. That might not work. I was thinking like maybe a week only JavaScript projects, but then they will, not that good. Or how you get traffic. So far, not only. I have, I post it on my Twitter, on the YouTube channel, and I have a newsletter. Another is having a feature dashboard, having people subscribing featured deals in top so that sponsors can see the word. I'm not 100% sure what you mean there, but what about cheaper prices per time you buy a voucher? I'm not sure about that either. What do you mean? Like, one idea I had which I need new skills to achieve, is like having having a sign up functionality, and people who buy, who are signed up, they have a history of paying, they'll get cheaper prices. Yeah, I agree with you, Don, but how I do that? To be honest, I like this idea of having some sort of a system where if you pay, if you get a deal, you get some points or something, and you get the future deals cheaper. But then it might be a complex system to build, because for that I could also not charge a fee but get an affiliate instead. So I could reach out to people and say, look, I can feature your product, and for each sale you'll get at least, I don't know, $5. Let's say this book $20. And I'm saying, okay, for each book you get $10 at least. And then I'm going to put, yeah, but that won't be worth it for me. This is how AppSumo, I think it works. AppSumo. This is somehow of a similar website, but they have lifetime deals for SaaS products. So you can sell a lifetime deal. Yeah, all coupon sites are affiliates. All right. I mean, all right, let's see. So if a product is $20, okay. Yeah, see here. So you can get Swipe Bucket for $59 instead of $1,000, or I don't know, this one for. They're huge discounts, huge ones, but they are like big in the niche. So, and I think, let's see, what's the gain more brand exposure, thousands of tag, unlock, grow your public, get paid, no upfront fees. I think they get a percentage of the sales, like 30% or so. Hey, where's the music? Yeah, listing on AppSumo is free, but you have to. They take a percentage. Cut. 70% of revenue. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Let's see. Our business is simple. We partner with some of the best SaaS brands in the world to give Sumo listing deals, the tools, resources. AppSumo revenue share is 30-70 with partners. We actually have 2 revenue share models. We take home 30%. Here's the breakdown. 40% of revenue is immediately invested in the marketing. All the 4 revenue share models split the remaining 60 with our partner. Yeah, anyway. All right, so let's see the listing 49, 49. Okay, so you get 70%, so they get 30%, right? Now, yeah, is having page for limited course deals and mentioning additional special days for only 3 on lifetime calls, having buyers testimonials. All right. Should I invest time into creating a system like that with sign up, a database, all of that mumbo jumbo? I mean, I keep losing the focus of I need to get more people to the site. The site makes money now, so that's good in the long term. 800, and it can bring in $200 to $300 a week so far. But it relies heavily on me. That's what I don't like 100%. I didn't leave the challenge. No, I won't leave it. I was in vacation. Okay, let's think. Sorry, I'm thinking today too much. I want to make sure I take the best decision. But yeah, you're here for the entire journey. This is why I'm doing the live streams, to share you everything, not only the good news. No need to add features now, but to put your efforts of marketing. Have more deals, charge more per deal, right? Yeah, but like, the question is, do I want to make more? Yeah, I need more traffic for that. How do you decide this? Like, if I have 3 products for 100 each, is 1,200 per month. If I have 2 products for 125 each, that's 1,000 per month. No, I don't take any percentage on the sale. It wasn't worth it for now. Like, the good news is that, as I said, for $100, people made their money back, which is good. Now they need to make if I see they make a lot of profit, but I can't control that. That's another thing. I mean, I don't know exactly how much they make because I just rely on the fact that they tell me they made 11 sales or 12 sales, or not to say that I don't trust people, just thinking in the future when I'll have people who I don't know reach out, you know. The thing is, you are still too early phase to call this a success to move on to next. I think you need to build a robust system which per week deals we get exposure. I mean, for me, having a project bringing 1K a month, that's success. I don't know why. I just feel like it. Yeah, SaaS will be great. Like, yeah. Let's just write things down, brainstorm, think a lot, and see what will be. I'll keep this here so you can see the project. So Yeah, this I need to do this. That's some or yeah. Anyway, automate the newsletter. Sure, that's the thing. I can automate how I get the deals pushed on the site or something. Have a way for people to pay, but at the same time, I want to check the deals before I publish them. Yeah. Agree. I still have Product Hunt Launch. I can have a blog for over 1,000. So yeah, for growing, let's see. Ways to make more money on the project. Have more featured deals. And to charge more for featured deals. This requires more visitors. You could automate the entire thing. People submit their project, an algorithm checks for spam and makes sure that it's all good, and it's put in a queue, and then algo lists certain products. Yeah, but like to work on it, it's not. Yeah, it needs a bit of work, right? And my question is that worth it? Like, how do I figure out if something's worth my time or not? That's the question. If I learn something from that, it's a good thing. That's definitely worth it. But like, if we're calculating the time investment, I'd say 1 hour, $100 plus. Now, so far, this project can bring in $200 to $300 with 2 hours of work. Per week, more or less. Then there's another side of the coin. If I work more on the project, I could tell people I work on the project, so that will bring more eyes. Hence, yeah, you know. Yeah. Another thing is that if I feature on Product Hunt and people will want to feature the products here, I'll get a ton of messages. I need to go through them. Yep. Also, building a system will be kind of fun and I learn stuff from it. Although, yeah. Oh boy. All in all, I really like brainstorming this and talking with you all. So yeah, thanks for being here. I hope you enjoy it too. Hope you learned something and you can use it. You can use it in your own journey. Blog is a good idea. Maybe some successful case studies of how it helped people who listed this on this website. Yeah. I can convert this to a Next.js project relatively quickly. And then I have a blog, like that should be also kind of quickly to build a day or something. I could also have each product have its own product detail page, although that might have a one step between people actually downloading something. So I could host the products on the website instead of people going off of other websites. For the simplest automation protocol, you only need this form to accept payments. Yeah. And a calendar to show open slots for them to choose from. Yeah, the thing with that is that what if someone submits a project which is not dev related? And they pay and all that. Do I pay them back or... Let's write things down. I keep thinking a lot and not writing anything, and then I'll lose the ideas. Also, it could use some design improvements. Show the percentage off in a corner. So, fix mobile responsiveness. Fix this form. Get better at the copyright. Better copywriting area. Yeah. I mean, it will be their loss. And I could also check in the refund probably. Also, there's another side of the free deals, which I mean, they're free deals, but you can also get these without this website. You know, it's not. I only had something special once, like a paid product which was free. But yeah. Just a second. I'm not sure why it's only 144. I have it set up for, let's see, stream settings. Yeah, it should work. It's not supported in what are you doing? I'm sitting. What are you doing? Sorry, no, I'm not sure what's working. Just a second. All right. Let's do something. But what? I mean, so far, look at this. 700 people checked in yesterday. 900 pages. That's like a lot. A blog. Should I add a blog? I can easily automate this having just a generating this from the JavaScript. Yeah, I'm kind of stuck. Which is not the best feeling. I'm thinking that wherever change I do, what if it doesn't pay off? Right? I mean, it could, but at the same time, it could not. I need to wait to have the money made so far on the screen because I get this question a lot. $1,000. A blog. With this website and one Notion template, yeah. Okay, what would be the ideal situation? In my case, I think if I can keep this project to roughly $1,000 a month and eventually sell it. How's that sounding? I mean, that should be good, right? For $1,000 a month. Yeah, that's a good question. I also like the goal. Let's see, goal. Goal, sell, project. Or I could also keep it and make passive, relatively passive income. But for that, I need to automate a lot of stuff. All right, let's say the goal is to sell project. So if I bring it to 1K a month, that's 12K a year. So I can sell it to 3 to 5x, right? I mean, if I can sell this for, I don't know, 20K, 30K, let's say 30K. How cool that would be. The projects are not made by me. I also can, 1 week I can promote my own project. While there shouldn't be a problem with automation, we can use loops. Yeah. Think about it once you finish building this with decent automation. You only need to work to 3-4 works per week to update it and do some marketing. So worth keeping it. Not sure what you said there, buddy. 3-4 hours per week, maybe. I mean, for 3-4 hours per week, making $200 out of it, it's not the best. I mean, it's decent. Alright, let's think it some other way. Let's say that I want to make the 100k in a year. So let's write it here. I need a new page. Dumb stuff. Brain dump. Alright, so 100k in a year. That's 100k in 52 weeks. Anyways, you haven't been streaming for a while. Did you code off camera? No, I was in vacation. I haven't coded. Yeah, that's not good. Let's say this. So, 100k in 52 weeks. Let's say that I work about 2 hours per day. I'll probably work more, but let's just say 2 hours of live streaming per day. That's 10 hours per week. So 100k in 520 hours. $10k. That this would be pretty cool. 10 million in 250. Yeah. So wait. 100,000 divided by 520. That's almost $200 per hour. Ouch. Yep. I guess I could bring this up to 4 hours per day. Uh, 5 days, 250, 260 days. Hey, I messed up something. Oh, no, I didn't. Yeah, it's good. Hours. All right, so that means 200 per hour. All right. So 200 per slot and 4 feature deals, and you work 3 hours or so per week. Doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, I'll figure that out in a second. So if I want to make 100k in a year for 52 weeks, 260 days, 2 hours per day, 2 hours per I don't know what I'm doing now. It's 200 times 520. All right. All right, good, finally. That's cool. Would do that myself, but I don't know, my laptop got water damage. Oh. Sounds really good actually, but his advantage is that he already knows how to code very well. Nah, I don't. And I think that he can do pretty much any website or web application from scratch. Nah, I don't. I still need to learn stuff. That's my not advantage. But So there's a but. I either have to increase the hours I work per day or increase the revenue per hour. So far I'm way behind because I've been working for 18 days. This has, wait. 5 days per week. That's 260 days. Okay. So far I'm at day 18 and I made a K, so that's 13 days behind. Pretty cool. Yeah, but I don't do that much. Yeah, so for those of you who are watching, I have other sources of income which are not dependent on this challenge. There's noise, sorry. Someone is drilling in my head. Those are the ideas wanting to come out. Yeah, so as I said, I have other sources of income which allow me to work on something like this, which I do for fun and for learning purposes, and eventually for making more money passively, more likely, hopefully, and to teach people. I like that too. So it's kind of a all-in-one. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that could work. So that's my hourly rate, 200 per hour. Woo. Or I can put it in 2 years and then I can charge 100 per hour. Or I can work 4 hours per day. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, 2.5 days and then day 18. So I'm 15.5 days behind. Not too good, Florian. Alright, good. So now, that I know this, let's see. If I spend, let's say, 4 hours per week on 4 hours on weekly deals, should be $800. It's just thinking a lot. I'm messing around now. It's fun. I like to look at numbers, make plans, think of ideas, stuff like that. Yeah, 9 to 5 job will not make you rich. I mean, you can have a really good salary, and if you invest that properly, you can become rich, but only from the money from the job, probably not. But if you manage it well, you can get rich. Okay. Per week, which is per month. I like per week. All right. So that means I have to have like 4 deals at 200 each. Or 3 deals are 300 each. And in order to make 300, it needs 3 times the traffic, probably. I mean, which is not impossible, though. How do I figure out how many deals are appropriate and what the pricing I can get by seeing how much people make, right? Like from a creator's perspective, if I pay to be promoted somewhere and I make my money back plus some, that's good. because I get a lot of exposure by selling to more people. I can market to them later, right? So a $10 project has to sell 20 copies to make $200. What is like an average conversion rate? I guess I can check it out. So this sold 11 copies. More dollar per slot is better than adding more deals on the page. You give them a lot of value with higher traffic. Yeah, probably. Yeah. I mean, if I could grow it now to 125 relatively easily. Then from that to go to 200, that needs much more traffic. So for traffic, I can get featured in other publications. I can pay to get visitors, maybe even Facebook ads. High traffic to each deal. I could eventually, so right now I have 6 deals on the page. 3 are paid and 3 are free. I could eventually charge for free deals too to get traffic. Like I said, some people made 300 subscriptions on their free project, which is huge, right? Yeah. So you became the dig effect. Not sure what that is. Hey, code with Swarno dip. Yeah, so I started with 3 free, 2 paid. Now I have 3 and 3. Yeah, definitely. I mean, and for the free deals, I have like a bunch of. Oh, interesting. I didn't know about it. So yeah. How many people reach out? For free deals, to be honest, I reach out to people. For paid, it's kind of a, yeah, It's not that easy to reach out and say, hey, do you want to pay me? Yeah, free deals. I was thinking about that too. That's the reason of returning visitors. Like I had someone whose free deal was so good that then they ended up paying for the feature deal for the paid project, and they want to do it again. So that's good. All right. That's a win. Yeah, that's definitely a win. Okay, so in order to increase my rate per hour, I need to get paid more per hour or work less hours. In order to get more paid per hour, I need to have more people visiting the site. And in order to work less per hour, like, no, not work less, like work less in total, is to have automated stuff, right? So, I feel like I'm exceeding my overthinking period by a lot. I'm overthinking. So get more visitors. Charge more per slot. Oh, the other way around. Get more. Hey, what's happening? Charge more per slot. Automate process. Work less per week. I think you should also create a landing page for the project. Get people interested. Show the advantage of having your product listed at every sales engagement. SQL. Do projects which require database stuff, like adding stuff to the database, getting stuff. A CRUD app. Stuff. Do stuff. Okay. All right. To get more visitors, promote on other platforms. Promote in different newsletters. Yeah, I'll probably die soon. Now, there's another trick. The fact that if I bring in more traffic, people who pay me, they make more money. Not necessarily I make more money right away. And what if they don't pay again? You know what I mean? Like, it's not a 100% direct correlation between the traffic I bring and the money I make. Because, like, why I got this idea is that if I pay to get featured in a newsletter and there are thousands of people coming in, like, the people who feature make more money, but that's not 100% sure that they'll pay again to be featured again, you know? And my success, quotes, financially is being paid to feature. But I guess I need success stories, probably. That's the way to get paid. Hey, Igor. Right? Do you get what I mean? Yeah, that would be one way to get a cut from the sales. But then we're going back to having a site with affiliate deals. I mean, I guess that should be okay, but yeah. Uh, yeah, I'm sure too that they will be. Think. It's just I have this feeling like it's not something is not 100% right. I need something is missing. I could go to uh, having a cut from the sales, but then, well, having a cut that means the projects have to be on sites like Gumroad where I can automatically get a cut. I could remove, like, one of the ideas could be to remove the cost of promoting and only keep the affiliate. That kind of, then it will kind of work. Like, then if I bring more traffic, I get more money that way directly. It's hard. Yeah, that's also true. I mean, let's say for Dev Dojo something, because the project also has to be discounted to be a featured deal, right? To be something interesting for people to pay for. And then out of that, I make a cut. So, yeah. Thank you, Alexandrov. Only keeping affiliate will dilute your site's quality of deals. I'm not sure why you mean that. You could add all the products you host to Stripe, and you could take the payments on your site. And using Stripe Connect, I want to give the creator their cut of the money. Haven't used that before. And uh, that will probably make it a bit harder for people to promote all kinds of content here, because some people have like this book is on LeanPub, then this book is on Gumroad, this is on their own platform, you know. It's easy when you know what to do. Yeah, I see what you mean. Uh, how can I see returning visitors? I can't really. Whoa, India is the most. I spent too much time thinking today, and I don't have a conclusion yet. So that's sad. Daily dev deals. Oh boy. Now that would be too much work. You do that. And give me 10%. uh, yeah. I mean, for so for something like daily deals, I really have to reach out to a lot of people to get their products featured and stuff, you know. That will be, or at least until it gets popular. Because like yesterday when I launched this week's deals, I got several emails. So, and I can see the growth of the amount of emails I get for people to feature their products. Right? Affiliate commission from every stream visitor's product. Yeah, I'm a bit stuck. And I'm getting sleepy. Let's write the daily recap. I don't know if I did a lot of things today, but uh yeah, I think making a blog would be a good next step. Just have a blog and feature some of the success stories. That could work. I added this. People, probably people won't email me now because it had. Yeah, I should say that the free products are free. That's a bit confusing, so let's say that too, right? Yeah, that's the idea, but what should be the target, you know? This is why I kind of wanted to figure out, all right, if I want to make 100K in a year, how much money I need to make per hour to know how much hours I want to put into this project, right? At the same time, also, maybe the income will grow over time with less effort, you know? So let me write that before model feature free to feature. It's free to feature a free product. Currently, it's free to feature a free product. Yeah, sounds weird a bit, but it's free to listing a free product. Free to list a free product. It's free. Alright. Thank you. Okay, so that's at least that. I did that. I chew on my pen too much. Don't do that. Calculated the revenue per hour in order to hit 100k in a year. Resulted in a 200 revenue per hour. Crazy. Added price information on weekly deals. Okay. Hey, it did not update. Why? Oh, I didn't say duh. Alright, so in order to increase the visitors, a blog would be good. I can feature a product hunt, but before that, maybe I need to have a better system of getting deals, maybe. Like, what people are on product hunt? People who create stuff for. Oh, yeah. Have fun, Kapoor. See you tomorrow? Yeah, I'm going to as well to think more and see what I'm going to do tomorrow. I wasted a lot of time today thinking, and maybe action is worth more than just thinking. Hey, infographics. Alright, yeah. So that should be probably the way to go. Let's build a blog, have some success stories, maybe have an about page. Yeah, that too. I'll reach out to Chaba to talk about product hunt, ATPAG, and yeah. Eventually I can even start working on another project. I mean, I could leave this as it is now. We'll make between $200 to $300 a week. Yeah, I don't know. And just let it grow. Or maybe after I build the blog, maybe I'll change the design a bit. Yeah. But even though it would be nice to build a system to have people sign up and get better deals when they get some deals, I'm not sure it's worth it yet. Yeah, but how do I decide what's the target? I have a target of making 100k. I don't have a deadline, which is not necessarily the best, because I can make it 100k in 10 years, so that's definitely possible. I mean, with this project makes $1,000 a month, I can make it 100 months, 2 years. So, what's the right target for a project like this? Yeah. All right. Too much thinking today. Now my brain is dead, so I'm going to take a break and see what I'm going to do tomorrow. Thanks all for joining. I wish you a good day, and yeah, see you tomorrow, hopefully with more work, more results, less brainstorming and not doing stuff. Thanks for joining. Bye.